Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are back with another video. I hope you are doing fantastic and having an amazing day so far. By subscribing to my YouTube channel, you will gain access to exclusive videos and helpful tutorials. So what are you waiting for? Click that, hit and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's go. Today the topic of our discussion is Introduction to 3D modeling with Blender. Blender is a powerful open source 3D modeling software with a rich interface and extensive features. It allows you to create models, animations, and visual effects for various industries. With its diverse tools for modeling, materials, lighting, rendering, and animation, Blender offers flexibility and creative possibilities. Its active community, tutorials, and documentation support your learning journey. Number 1. Interface. Blender has a unique and feature-rich interface. The main components including the viewport where you work on your models, the tool shelf which contains various tools and settings, and the properties panel which allow you to adjust object properties and settings. Number 2. Modeling. Blender provides several modeling techniques including mesh modeling, which involves creating and manipulating vertices, edges, and faces to form 3D shape. You can use tools like extrude, scale, and rotate to shape your models. Additionally, Blender supports sculpting, where you can use brushes to create organic and detailed models. Number 3. Objects. In Blender, objects are the building block of your scene. You can create objects such as cubes, spheres, and cylinders, or import existing models. Each object has its own properties including position, rotation, and scale, which can be adjusted in the properties panel. Number 4. Materials and textures. Material define the appearance of objects in Blender. You can assign different materials to different parts of your model, specifying properties like color, reflectivity, and transparency. Textures can be applied to materials to add details such as patterns, roughness, or bumpiness. Number 5. Lighting and rendering. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating realistic 3D scenes. Blenders offer various types of lights, including point lights, spotlights, and area lights. You can position lights within your scene to achieve desired illumination and shading. Now rendering. Rendering is the process of generating the final image of animation from your 3D scene. Blender provides a powerful rendering engine called Cycles, which simulates realistic lighting and materials. You can also use the Eevee engine for real-time rendering or external renders like LuxRender or Octane. Number 6. Animation. Blender allows you to create complex animation by setting keyframes to control the position, rotation, and scale of object over time. You can also animate materials, lights, and cameras to bring your scenes to life. Blender's animation tools include a graph editor for fine-tuning animation curves. Number 7. Simulation. Blender offers a range of simulation capabilities such as physics simulation for realistic object interaction, particle system for effects like fire, smoke, or fur, and fluid simulation for liquid and gases. These tools enable you to add dynamic and realistic elements of your scene to your computer. Number 8. Sculpting and texturing. Blender sculpting tool let you shape and refine your model with brushes, allowing you to add intricate details. The texture painting feature enables you to paint directly onto your models, creating custom textures and adding color and details. Number 9. Add-ons and scripting. Blender is a vast collection of add-ons created by the community which extend its functionality. You can also automate tasks or create custom tools by scripting with Python, the programming language supported by Blender. This introduction covers only the basic of 3D modeling with Blender. As you progress, you can explore more advanced topics like rigging, character animation, advanced material, and compositing. Blender's extensive documentation, tutorials, and community support can provide further guidance of your 3D modeling journey. Thank you for providing me with the opportunity to introduce you to the topic of 3D modeling with Blender. I hope this brief overview has given you a good starting point to explore the software and delve deeper into the world of 3D modeling. Remember to enjoy the process, be patient with yourself, and don't hesitate to seek out additional resources and support from the Blender community. Happy modeling and creating. Khuda Hafiz.